When I come home, the last thing I want is to disappoint my daughter, but all she wants to do is pretend play, and I don't know how to start. I'm filled with uncertainty. Shouldn't I be more fun? I'm filled with questions. What? Am I supposed to act like a duck now or something? That's why I use books.
There's no shame in struggling with pretend play. More than 2/3 of adults suffer from pretend play anxiety at some point in their lives, and books can help. Books are a non-prescription adult aid that can increase imagination, spark ideas, and inspire pretend play. Some side effects of reading books may include increased phonemic awareness, expanded vocabulary, high concentration, deeper empathy, and wild creativity. Some readers may experience spontaneous daydreaming or a tendency to sneak books into bed. Not every reader is right for all books, and some may request the same book over and over. Many books are...
Okay, I can take it from here. Sometimes kids and grown-ups need a little extra inspiration to get in a mindset for creative play. What never fails? Great children's stories. A good story welcomes us into a whole new world, and it's a great way to spark kids' imagination and get them all warmed up for play. And a really good story butters up even the most grown-up of grown-ups. Pick a favorite book or a book that focuses on your kids' special interests. Over time, try to expose kids to a set of books with diverse characters to help them broaden their experience and value other perspectives. Stories come with a whole bunch of elements that give us easy starting places for play. Inspire kids to act like one of the characters by saying something like, I wonder if we could play like the beavers in the story. Wonder, how could we recreate the action of the book together? Turn a corner of your yard, your home, or the local park into a spaceship or a castle or whatever special world the story offered. You can focus on an object from the story to spark play. Pull out a bunch of ribbon after you read the squiggle, or turn a stick into an endless series of things after reading not a stick. With older kids, explore the problem in the story. Try to capture colors from nature like in Swatch, or make an animal hideout to escape from predators. As always, all you really need to do is follow your kid's lead. The play doesn't need to replicate the book. What really matters is that the story sparks your child's imagination. Talk to your librarian to find out if books are right for you.